Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best kitchen gadgets to make your life easier and tastier. Today, we're diving into what could very well be the best sandwich and panini maker for your microwave, the MACONEE Microwave Sandwich Maker. If you love the convenience of a microwave but still crave that crispy, grilled taste, this might just be the solution you've been waiting for. The MACONEE Microwave Sandwich Maker is a revolutionary product that turns your ordinary microwave into a professional-grade grill, giving you toasted sandwiches, crispy paninis, and even grilled burgers, all in minutes. But what makes it stand out from other microwave gadgets? It's the unique thermal material technology that allows the microwave to generate far-infrared heat, which mimics the cooking process of traditional ovens or stovetops. This means you can get that perfect grilled, crispy effect without the need for a stove or grill. With this microwave sandwich maker, you'll be able to create your favorite sandwiches like grilled cheese or paninis in no time at all. Simply load up your bread and fillings, pop it into the microwave, and in just a few minutes, you'll have a delicious, golden sandwich. The best part? It's less messy than traditional cooking methods, so you won't have to deal with oil splatters or long cleanup times. And thanks to the non-stick coating, cleaning it is a breeze. It's not just for sandwiches either. You can make grilled chicken, sausage, burgers, or even quesadillas, all with that perfect crispy finish. The versatile nature of this product makes it great for any occasion. Whether you're at home, in the office, in a college dorm, or even at a tailgate party, you'll be able to enjoy fast, crispy meals with minimal effort. Safety is always important when using kitchen gadgets, and the MACONEE Microwave Sandwich Maker ensures you're covered. While the material heats up quickly to give you that perfect crisp, the cookware itself can become very hot. So, always use an oven mitt when removing it from the microwave to avoid burns. One of the standout features of this product is its easy cleanup. All the pieces fit comfortably in the dishwasher, making it convenient for anyone who doesn't want to spend extra time washing up. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, so you can just pop it in, and you're good to go. If you're looking to upgrade your microwave cooking experience and want the ability to create crispy, grilled foods in no time, the MACONEE Microwave Sandwich Maker is a must-have. It's simple, effective, and perfect for anyone who loves great food without the hassle of traditional cooking methods. If you're ready to take your microwave meals to the next level, this is the gadget for you. Thanks for watching this review from Product Critique. Make sure to subscribe for more honest, in-depth looks at the best products out there. Happy cooking!